Hello everyone, this is my new video called My Other Pet. Kind of similar to my last one, except it's showing another pet that I have. It's a cat. It's called a calico, and it's 20 years old, believe it or not, it is. And here she is. 20 years old, calico. Look at the pretty colors, too. There's, like a brownish bronze right here. Black, and then white. Vixen, show me your face. I think she's losing her hearing. Hey! Hey! Yeah, I think she is. Yo! Kitten! Kitty! Kitty! Look at the camera! There you go. Now they can see your beautiful tail. And then all the white right there. But yeah, she is 20 years old. She is, though. That's pretty much all. I know I make sometimes these short, pointless videos. Sometimes I just get bored and I put them on YouTube. I might not get a bunch of views, but I just like having a lot of videos. But yep, that's my 20-year-old calico cat that we have. Vixen. 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 What else about her? Yeah, I think that's all we have on her. Her birthday was this month. That's when she turned 20. We're not really sure, but I'm just guessing because today's the 20th, so it says right here on the camera thingy.